What's up, guys? We're going to be installing an Eagle Lights LED upgrade for Indian Challenger. First, you got to remove this outer shielding from around the headlight. You don't even need a tool. You can put your thumb up in the top, tug down and pull out. There's two retainer clips that will pop out there and there. Next, this outer ring you're going to remove. There are 4 Phillips head screws. They are not on the top and the bottom and the left and the right. They're kind of diagonal from each other. Now you're going to remove this ring. And the headlight is now loose inside. You can tilt the headlight forward and pull it through. Let it rest right on the front. And now you're going to go and disconnect the connector. 2 of these screws are pretty hard to get to, up here and down here. I just used a tiny screwdriver. That way you could angle it to be able to get in and undo the Phillips. Now looking up inside the fairing, there's a T30 here and also a T30 up there at the top. You'd have to take both of those off and remove this black shield. This is on the left-hand side of the motorcycle on the inside of the fairing. Next, you got to turn your handlebars all the way to the right, and there is one more T30 on the back side of that shield. Now that I have the shield off, you can see these 2 plugs here. It's going to be this top one. You're going to have to disconnect, and then there's also a zip tie back in here you're going to have to cut to remove the cord. Once you get your new headlight installed, you're going to turn it. You'll feel it click into place. The DOT is going to be up, and then you're going to put your ring back in and reinstall the 4 Phillips head screws. Once you get your headlight reinstalled, you're going to connect this top connector to the wire that you feed down through, and then you're going to put this shield back on. This is it back installed. It's the Eagle Lights black background, no halo.